Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. We are building this LeetCode SQL series and today we are going to solve question number 574, winning candidate. It is a premium question on the LeetCode. What is given to us? We are given two tables, candidate and vote. Candidate has two columns, ID and name. Vote has two columns, ID and candidate ID. Of course, this candidate ID is a foreign key to this ID in the candidate table. What we have to do? We have to write a solution to report the name of the winning candidate, that is the candidate who got the largest number of votes. The test cases are generated so that exactly one candidate wins the election, so there is no tie here. So if we check in this vote, candidate 2 has got the maximum votes. It has got 2 votes. 3 has got only 1 vote, 4 has got 1 vote and 5 has got 1 vote. So the output has to be 2. So what we have to do is quite simple. We have to group by on this candidate ID, but we have to print the name. We have to in the output, let me just check in the LeetCode. The result should look like this: name and B. Output should be name and B. So we have to print the name. So I just need to do some kind of a join first, because I have to do a join so that B should come here, B should come here, C should come here, D should come here and E should come here, and this should be the candidate name. If I could create this kind of a table, I am just going to group by based on the candidate ID and just going to do a count just like this. I want to do this 2B and the count is 2. This is the candidate ID. This is the name and this is the count. If I check for this 3, this will come out to be C and this will come out to be 1. 4, this is come out to be D, this is come out to be 1, and 5, this is come out to be E and this is come out to be 1. First of all, from these two tables I need to convert into these two tables with the help of inner join. Once I have this kind of a table, I am going to do a group by on the candidate ID and print the name and also the count. Once I have this kind of a table, I am just going to do a limit 1 order by count descending order, because I just need the top one. There is no tie here. Hope you got the clarity of the question. Now let's go to the datagrip and try to do what we have discussed. I am in the datagrip. We have created these two tables, candidate and the vote. Now what I am going to do, in this vote itself, we inner join candidate, and on which thing I need to do a join, of course, on the candidate ID and ID of the candidate. If I do this, let us see what we get now. We get this thing. Now what we have to do, we have to do a group by on the candidate ID, v dot candidate ID, and we have to do order by. How we have to do an order by? Let's see that first. I just need v dot candidate ID, I need C dot ID, I need C dot name, and also I need count star. Let us do this first without having this order by. We are able to do this. Now I have to do an order by count as CT, CT descending and limit 1. If I do this, I get this. What I need to do in the output, I just need to show name and B. So name has to be this one only, as name. I don't need any count, but if I remove this count, then this CT will not work here. So what I am going to do, I'm just going to do count star. This will work then. I have done some syntax errors. Now let me run this query. See, I am able to get this B. This is quite easy question. Now let us go to the LeetCode and try to submit this query. I am the LeetCode and let me just provide my solution and check for the syntax error for the test case 1. Yeah, it is accepted for the test case 1. Let me submit the solution. Yeah, I am able to submit the solution and able to beat 5.08%. Let me submit once again. I am able to beat 63.17%, which is quite nice. Hope you got the gist here, you got the clarity. This is quite a simple question on the LeetCode. If you are liking the content, then please like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to all your friends. Thanks a lot for watching.